Hello. Today we are looking at equipment faults. Equipment faults are two. When you have an equipment, the fault can either be software or hardware. At times, the software becomes corrupted. At times, virus attacks softwares. At times, you will need to update your software from time to time. So when you have an equipment and there is a software inside and it's not working, you have to note that you need to update your software from time to time so that it works. Another type of thing that you have to take note of are the faults of the hardware. The hardware can become faulty. The capacitors, the resistors, the transistors, the diodes, the rectifiers, the regulators, the filters, the equipment become faulty. So what you need to do is that you make sure that you open the instruments and using a digital multimeter you troubleshoot, find out where the faults are coming from. Once you're able to locate that this is where the fault is coming from, if it's a capacitor, and then buy and replace in your system and will start to work well. So don't feel, just get encouraged. Speak to yourself, psych yourself out. I can do this. This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm destined to do. Greater works in this field. You can